Hey guys, this is Life with A4, and on the 13th of October 2021, I logged my hair and it was 5 days old. So I had to join a popular YouTube trend cloves hair challenge to grow my hair. And this is after 6 months. On the 19th of April 2022, I achieved this length. This stuff worked like magic, and I want to show you guys. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. So all you will need is cloves. Okay, you need cloves. You can get the powder or the seed itself and water. Okay, so what I do is I soak the cloves in the water and then let it sit for about 24 hours and strain the juice from it. After I strain the juice from it, I transfer the particles of the cloves into my frying pan and add my favorite oil, which is almond oil, and then let it cook about 5 minutes to get the juice from it. We all know how rice is very beneficial to the hair, so I added a bit of rice into this mixture so that, I don't know, something told me to add it to see if it will work, but I think it worked. Then I added a bit of shea butter. We all know how shea butter is good for the skin and hair. So I stir it to get the juice, and about 5 minutes later, I strained everything and transferred the oil into my spray bottle. But make sure you let it sit and cool. You don't have to transfer the hot oil into your spray bottle, as you can melt the bottle. Alright? After I strain the oil, I then go inside my bathroom and spray my entire hair with the cloves water I did before. I do this every morning and evening religiously because I lost all my hair after my third baby came. So you need to massage your hair. Make sure you bend your hair a bit so that you transfer some of the blood to the hair. I don't know if this science works, but that's what I heard. So you need to massage your entire hair with the cloves water, and when you are done with the cloves water, you seal the hair with oil. You seal the moisture with oil. So we use the oil we did with the cloves, and then you massage it to, you can see the length. My hair shrinks a lot when it touches water. It shrinks. You can see the length. It shrinks a lot. These stuffs work. This is a popular challenge on YouTube, cloves hair challenge, and I tried it and it has worked for me. Now my problem is my edges, but I hope to come back after a few months to see if it helped with this new oil formulation I did. So let's see how it goes after some months. Okay, so now my dreadlocks is 6 months. Maybe after a year I will do another before and after to see if it works. Then I go back with my shea butter and then I massage my hair. Subscribe if you have not done so. Like the video, share, comment. I love you all. Bye.